Santa of the Santa Slowdog YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, here's the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. According to Santa, it is far into the future, and most of the world abandoned the planet about 150 years ago. All of the experts agreed that the incoming asteroid had a 0% chance of missing the Earth. The effort to evacuate was mostly a success, except for Section P30. They did not build an ark. As it turned out, the asteroid grazed the moon, pushing it slightly off path. It ripped a portion of the atmosphere away as it passed the Earth. Fast forward 150 years, and the remaining citizens are broken into two groups, the ruling class and the serfs. The ruling class would send out messenger cars in search of information. They had speed, but no weapons. The serfs stood guard over the monument, built with whatever metal was available. Grain silos and vehicles, built for battle to repel anyone trying to enter the spaceship. They worshipped it in the hopes that one day the great ones would return. I love this build. And you have to be sure and check out the top of that monument to see what he put up there. It's fantastic. I wasn't sure what he was going to do with that. And when I saw what he did, I couldn't help but laugh. Everybody, be sure and check out his YouTube channel and Instagram page. Links are provided in the video description. And everybody, I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. Stay safe and healthy out there. And I'll catch you in the next one.